Hi, I am Mihara Bandaranayaka, and purpose of my project is breaking the barriers of traditional input-output methods. In fields like surgery, mechanical repair, or cooking, or even chemical research, using a mouse keyboard input method is impractical or sometimes even impossible. That's why I made this method to achieve a seamless hands-free bridge between human intent and computer action. In many high-stakes fields, from stellar operation training rooms to greasy mechanical workshops, the traditional keyboard and mouse aren't just inconvenient, they are a barrier. So I created Javis AI to break that barrier. So let me show you. Hey Javis, with a custom, offline, local, wake-word listener, the system is always ready, protecting privacy while remaining instantly accessible. Jarvis, I always prefer my system updates to be summarized in one short sentence. Please remember this.
I've already saved your preference to summarize system updates in one short sentence. I'll be sure to do that for you.
So, unlike standard chatbots that forget everything, when you close the tab, Jarvis AI has the persistent JSON memory drive. It learns how you like your task done across sessions. Show me my system's disk space and then create a folder called Hassles on my desktop.
I have successfully created the folder named Assets on your desktop.
Inside that folder, create a text file and write all the currently running processes to it.
I have created a text file named runningprocesses.txt inside the Assets folder on your desktop, and it now contains a list of all currently running processes.
Let's see if it is done. Notice what happened here. The AI didn't just give me text. It asked questions, then reasoned that I need PowerShell, executed the command, checked for success, and actually modified my file system, all hands-free. And because of my preferences, it kept the confirmation free. There is also a powerful web search agent built right in. Simply asking Javis to search the web triggers an autonomous process that fetches and reads summarized top live results from the internet in real time, pulling external knowledge. But what if you have to take some notes while your hands are busy? A chatbot is the most efficient way. That's why I added a note-taking feature for this AI. Jarvis, I need to take some notes.
Sure, I'm opening the note-taking interface for you now. Memo. You can speak or type your notes there, and the AI will structure and format them automatically.
Now, let's look at the notes module. Traditional voice notes are just messy transcripts. This system uses Gemini to understand intent and structure. I am going to use a trick here to make this quick.
Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants make their own food using sunlight. This process mainly takes place in the leaves. Chlorophyll, the green pigment in plants, absorbs sunlight. Carbon dioxide from the air and water from the soil are used to produce glucose and oxygen. This process is essential for life on Earth because it provides oxygen for animals and humans.
look at the result. It removed my filter words, recognized the priority, applied the heading to style automatically. It's an editor that listens beyond just smart transcription. The notes module is complete interface. You can clear current sessions to start fresh, save your notes directly to the local file system, and even browse or reload past saved notes seamlessly, all with a voice command or single click, keeping your knowledge base organized without typing. Actually, what inspired me to add this feature is, in online lectures, I want to focus more on understanding the concepts better, but I can't do it while I am taking notes. So, this will be one of my everyday tools. We also have an offline background scheduler for scheduling time-precise tasks. Javis, schedule a task for 1 minute from now to check if I am connected to Wi-Fi and what network is that.
I've scheduled a task to check your Wi-Fi connection and network name for 1 minute from now.
While we wait for that alarm to trigger, notice that the AI isn't just setting a timer prompt. It is actually scheduling an autonomous background task in his internal Windows engine. We don't even have to keep this window open. If we close it, it will automatically open up and inform us. And there it is, a complete autonomous background execution of tasks. You can even say every Sunday at 12:30 p.m. do this or do that. You can use this as an alarm, a reminder, or even a completely automated task like submitting a report. But there is a little problem. Even if we could take notes and execute scheduled commands and execute voice commands, there are some tasks we cannot, or it's a little bit harder to do with voice. So, Javis, activate hand gesture control.
Activating hand gesture control. Hand with fingers splayed. Your camera will open shortly, and you'll be able to control your computer using hand gestures.
Finally, for the ultimate hands-free experience, Gesture OS. When voice isn't enough, we use computer vision. So, using MediaPipe and OpenCV, I can control the mouse with sub-pixel precision just by pointing. A simple pinch performance can click and two fingers or double click. But we can go a lot further. Customize them too. So let's say I want to start Chrome with this hand gesture. I can define custom gestures for any industry specific shortcut. One hand sign, the system executes my pre-mapped actions. It transforms the air around the user into the control surface. The UI lets you specify if the gesture applies to the left, right or any hand. Or it also lets you configure actions as it is a PowerShell command, a CMD command or a keyboard shortcut. And let's say you are not a very technical person and you don't know the commands or the keyboard shortcuts to execute. But you can use AI to suggest the correct command for a plain English description for what you want to do. Javis AI and the gesture control OS aren't just tools. They are the future of how we interact with technology when our hands are busy, but our minds are working. Thank you.